So welcome back to OpenFirepitCooking.com. This is Benjamin, and we're gonna cook up some cornbread today. We're gonna do it over to open fire. And there's a few ingredients here that we're gonna use. We're gonna use some Jiffy corn muffin mix, some honey, nutmeg, cinnamon, and I use whole kernel corn and some cream corn. We got some butter and some milk as well. So a lot of people like my cornbread. It's not too sweet. It's not too sweet. It's not too hard. It's not too corn pudding. It's kind of like in the middle of all of those. So we're gonna whip up a batch real quick. We got the coals starting. I'm gonna crack up these eggs. Pretty much you make it to what the Jiffy box says. So 1 package corn muffin mix to 1 egg and 1/3 cups milk. So we're gonna do that and then just add some extra ingredients. So I put in the 2 eggs. Here's about 2/3 cup of milk. I'm gonna whip that up. So I also like to add a little bit of cinnamon and a little bit of nutmeg. Make it taste a little like Christmas. So that's what I do. Just put a little bit in there. A little cinnamon and a little bit of nutmeg. Mix that all up. I have my giant ingredient. When I eat cornbread, I always gotta have corn in it. So we got 2 types here. We're gonna use some cream style corn and some whole kernel corn. Make sure that everybody that tastes this cornbread gets some corn in their mouth. I'm gonna add that cream corn in there. I'm gonna strain that whole kernel corn. Stir that all up, and I'm gonna add a little bit of honey to sweeten it up. That Jiffy cornbread mix is pretty sweet by itself, so you don't need too much. So we got the batter ready. I'm gonna take this butter and butter up this pan. I'm gonna let that pan heat up and then I'll be back. Alright, so we're back here at openfirepitcooking.com. Our pan is very hot. We got the butter in there. It's all bubbling. Really good. So I'm gonna take this cornbread mix. I'll pour it in the Dutch oven. So I'll put the top on it. Put a few cloves on the top. We're gonna let that sit up there. We'll turn it, get an even cook on it, and we'll be back. Okay, we're back. We're about halfway through this cook. It's been about 8 minutes. I'm gonna spin it, get an even cook on it, and I'm gonna open it up and look at it. Okay. It hasn't started to pull away from the sides yet, so we'll keep watching it and we'll be back. Okay, we're back. It's been about 15 minutes. I'm gonna open it up, look how it looks. Oh my god, that looks amazing. Okay, so it's pulled away from the side of the pan. And then I'm going to just check to see if it's done all the way through. I want a little bit harder crust on the top, so I'm going to just put the top back on and pull the coals away. But it's done. I'm gonna give it a couple more minutes and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. We let it go for about 2 to 3 more minutes. I just wanted to crust over the top real quick. Let me check on it. See how it's going. I think that's about done right there. So, and some good cornbread. Let me flip it over here. That's that cornbread right there. Ooh. So I like it. It's just the right amount of sweetness. I got that crust on there. I got real corn in there, as you can see. There's little pieces in there. That's some cornbread right there. It's amazing. All right, well, thank you for stopping by. See you again.